Welcome back to the channel. First of all, click on Start Lab and just right click and open the Looker Incognito window. One more important thing, if you want to enable this yellow check my progress bar, check the video description. Now, first of all, copy the user, then the pass, and then click on Stay Logged In and just click on Login. Now wait for it to get started. The first thing you need to understand that we have to enable the development mode. Why? To modify the files in Looker, we have to enable the development mode. So you have to click on this toggle and the page will reload itself. So finally here you can see the Looker is in development mode. Now from here go to develop and Qwiklabs Arcade you have to select. Now wait for the Looker to load. So once it is successfully opened, click on General, Lights and FAA Model. Okay. Now just scroll down, hit enter multiple times. Now in the description box of this video, I've shared this repository. You have to select entire content, just copy it or just click on Control A and just Control C. Now you have to come over here, paste it, save changes, validate LookML. After validate LookML, commit the message. You can type any message. So just like the video and then just click on commit. After that, we have to click on deploy to production. So just click on deploy to production. Once it is done, just right click over here, open in a new tab, just right click again, open in a new tab. So we have to do one thing. We have to go to the explore option and from here you can see multiple options are there. Okay, we have to click on airports. Similarly, go to explore and from here click on airports. Now here you'll see two options. We have to click one by one first and then second on the second tab. It's running. Now the first thing what we need to do, you don't have to modify in the first one. Okay, we are in the task one. Now wait for the looker to fully load. Once it is done, click on this gear icon, click on this save to an existing dashboard. From here, come to the lab instruction, task number one, scroll down and find the name. So this is our look name. Carefully copy it without any extra space or dot. Paste the name over here. And for the new dashboard, we have to copy this name. So just copy it carefully. New dashboard name, paste it. Okay, all these things are done. Select it and just save to dashboard. Now once this is done, once this is done, check the score for task number one. So you can clearly see we got the score. Now time for second task. It's running. Update it to bar chart. And for row limit, update it to 8. Let me just see whether they have updated the row limit or not. So here you can see the row limit is up to 5. Okay, so they have updated the row limit to 5. Now we have to just run it and wait for it to get saved. So finally it is done. Now click on this gear, save to existing dashboard. From here you have to select this airport and flights. Now come to the file name, that is this. So copy the file name carefully, paste the file name from here and just click on save to dashboard. Now once it is saved, come to the lab instruction and check the score, and this is the way you have to complete the lab. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. For complete solution guide, check the playlist. Master sheet is attached in the description box of this video. So this is how we completed the lab. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.